The vintage Mediterranean steakhouse. Just shared a bread platter, garlic, butter and yeah, I'm glad you can pronounce that. And olives, yeah, very nice. Waiting for our main course now. Nice sunset at the moment, coming. Yeah, lovely sunset. So this Karen's is lamb chops. Oh heck, loads of them. I might have to help her with those. And mine's what? Lamb cleft lick or something. Get it raw, it looks rather nice. That was absolutely superb. What were your thoughts on it, Karen? Yours?
Very nice, yeah.
Very nice. Oh, you cleared yours, haven't you? Yeah. You haven't eaten the serviette. But that was really, oh, so cheesy as well. Lamb, cheese, oh, gorgeous.